create a new Metamask wallet, you go to this website, download it. If you have already a wallet, you do this, import wallet. I'm gonna create a new wallet. So just test. I have agreed, create. Next. I'm gonna reveal this because I'm not gonna be using this. So these are the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's quickly note this. I'm gonna pause the video. So this got me a new wallet. Here I can call it a name. So if I say energy test support wallet. So now I've created a name for it. This is your wallet address. So this would be your address. It created in Ethereum wallet address. I'm gonna pause the video and see what I have to say to add those addresses. Hey there, in this video, let's see. Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the NRGYGo and the NRG contract addresses to your cryptocurrency wallet. First, let's start with the NRGYGo contract address on the Binance Smart Chain Network. To do this, you'll need a wallet that I just created that is compatible with the Binance Smart Chain Network. Some popular options include Metamask and Trust Wallet. So I added a Metamask. Once you have your wallet set up and open, which I did, a test one, you'll open to add the Binance Smart Chain Network as a custom network. To do this, you click on the Networks or Custom Networks option in your wallet settings. You can do it by doing this. Go to Settings, Networks, or I think the more simpler is to add network. Option add network. They are not between there, so you better add manually. Copy, paste, copy, paste, chain ID, copy, paste, symbol, paste, and the block explorer URL. Click Save to add the Binance. So now you have switched. Okay, don't need to see this, I got it. Let's pause the video quickly to read. Next, you'll need to add NRGYGo contract address to your wallet. To do this, click on the Add Token or Custom Token. It's more here, Import Tokens. Token contract address. Copy. NRGYGo. He recognized it. And let's change this to 18. He automatically picks 9, so okay. Click Add to your NRGYGo to your wallet. Add custom token. So NRGYGo is inside your Binance Smart Chain. It is added as a token. Let's say it like this. So I'm gonna do the same now for just the NRG address, but I'm gonna pause the video and that's it. And I'm gonna try to work a little bit on the video concept. Thank you.